out here, we are loaded up and ready for a journey. I'm not going to state exactly. We're going to look at something, may not buy it, but if we do buy it, y'all will be some of the first to know. So I'm excited. We got a little bit of ways to go to look at it. It's actually about 3 hours away, where it is right at 3 hours away, especially pulling the trailer. We are going as if we're buying, but we might not buy. I don't know. You know how it is. You run across a deal on something and you think, self, can I buy that and make any money? Or can I buy that and make any money? I mean, that's the key. That's like this one. As soon as we get back on this one, probably gonna let it go. Definitely, that was the plan in the beginning, was to two-tone it, put the chrome, fix the air condition, stuff like that, and then let somebody else enjoy it, because it is a very enjoyable truck. It runs, drives, stops. We got brand new brakes too for it. Dylan's gonna do a brake job on it, and that's what we want to do, is buy them, fix them, make sure everything's right, tag them and drive them, even though that costs a little bit more. Tag them, drive them, enjoy them just a little bit, and then let somebody else have them and enjoy them. Because a lot of people will buy them, like this truck that we're going to look at tomorrow. This guy hadn't never tagged it, so we might get up there and it might be a rag. It looks good in the pictures, it runs good, it sounds good, but y'all will just have to wait and see with us. We have pulled all the way to Virginia before for a Camaro and got up there and it wasn't what it was supposed to be, and we come back down the road with an empty trailer. So we'll see. Thank y'all for watching. You can see the headlights in the down at the shop. Dylan's got the truck fired up. Well, we had a rough storm here last night. Heavy winds, heavy rain, pea-sized hail. It was beating everything down, but I see the building and everything still here. The neighbors up this morning. All right, we out. We headed out for our scavenger hunt. So y'all stay tuned. Well, here we go. 85 Camper Special Dually Chevy. Small block 350. Edelbrock aluminum East Street heads. A little bit dirty, but a very nice, solid truck. I mean, a nice, solid truck. We're gonna clean this up and put a bed liner kit in it. The insides is nice. Needs vacuuming out just where we've rode in it. Automatic in the floor. Let's see if it'll start from over here. Got electric pump on it. It's got what Vice Grip calls a clickety-clack pump on it. What we're going to do is we're going to do away with that. We're going to actually put a pump underneath where the tank's at. It rides really, really good. I mean, really good. Looks like the front end's out of line a little bit. We'll get that addressed, and then we're gonna probably put it on the market after we tag it, check everything, fix all the loose ends and stuff. So if anybody out there is interested in something like this, it's 85 small block 350 aluminum heads, 400 turbo automatic transmission. The air conditioning all has been taken off. I'm not going to say that I'm going to fix that. I don't know yet. I don't know exactly what is going to become of it, but we bought it. I'm hesitant. Do I want to make it would really make a good pulling truck. My 05 Chevy sitting there, I've had it since 2010. It's got 229,000 miles on it, and we have worked it to death hauling stuff like this in and out and moving and going picking up for clients and all. So I would like to keep it, but I don't know for sure. But anyway, our plans is to clean it up, fix all the loose ends, put a good electric fuel pump, and lower it. That's the plan as of right now. I'd like to have a set of Alcoa wheels to go on it. That's really eye candy for a lot of people, but it is really out of the budget for a new set of wheels and tires. Now, if I could run across a set that, just wouldn't break the bank or anything like that, I would. But just to go out and buy a set, no, I'm not going to do that. But for anyone looking for a camper special, when the time comes and the time is right, this could be your ticket right here.